YouTube. What's good, YouTube? What's good once again? Welcome back to another video with your boy, G-Wavy, man. So look, today we about to, what's up? Before I start, man, what's up, my UK family? Why am I starting, man? What's up, my UK family? How are you guys doing, man? I hope you guys are having a good, wonderful day or night whenever you're watching this video, man. So look, man, I haven't reacted today. Yeah, it's been weeks, man. It's been weeks. I've been reacting to a lot of other rappers, other UK rappers, so I haven't really had time to check Dave out. So one comment from my previous video said you should react to Dave, 2 birds, no stones. So you guys know the saying, 2 birds, 1 stone, blah blah blah. You kill 2 birds, 1 stone killing. Yeah, y'all know the same, and I ain't got to explain it to you guys. So this title said 2 birds, no stones. So we're about to check it out for you guys. And also in the comment it says, don't let any bars go over your head. So y'all, I'm gonna try my best, man. I'm gonna try my best to catch every bar that I can possibly catch. But I know I'm probably gonna miss quite a few. Whatever I miss, let me know in the comment section, or whatever my interpretation of something he says. If it's not the same, let me know in the comment section as well, man. With that being said, man, yeah, Dave, 2 birds, no stone. Let's get it.
With no stones, just let life do it. Success is in a stone's throw. The scenes are fuck.
He said, I can kill 2 birds with no stone. Let life do it. Success. Hold on.
Look, I can kill 2 birds with no stones. Just let life do it. Success is in a stone's throw. The scene's a fucking mosh pit. I'm sitting in my own role. Man, are just clones though. Copying a trend until it dies and then you go broke. The domino effect when you ain't
copying a trend until it dies and then you done broke. The domino effect. Ooh. Oh lord. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a long video, y'all. I'm about to pause it every second.
Focused on your own dough and I ain't focused either. People,
it's a domino effect and focus on your own dough. Oh my god.
Eat but can't show me where the peas are. Don't try it, it's a no-no. Don't bother, it's a no-bro. Your future looking copper, my 20-carat rose gold. It's funny how I met faith and no hope. Music game slow-mo. Days I saw no growth, but Christian doing promo. Hell, sleet, cold, snow, and people wouldn't know no.
Wait, what does it mean? Christian doing promos? House, bro, what? Y'all told me try not to let all the bars go over my head. I'm just trying my best, man.
I saw no growth, but Christian doing promo. Hell, sleet, cold, snow, and people wouldn't know no. When everything was blessed, before we went solo, we had man them on a Camden like Coco. Them telling lies, I've got pride like Soho. I'm a tour guide on a cruise ship, I'm trying to showboat. It's actually true, because when you count the groundwork, I'm actually new. You like supporting your people until someone gets successful, because you want someone to blow until they actually do.
Oh. Oh lord, oh my god, y'all. Though that's how you know I'm rusty, bro. I haven't reacted to Dave in a long time. That's how you know I'm rusty. I'm rusty.
But I'm actually new. You like supporting your people until someone gets successful, because you want someone to blow until they actually do. And then they're pop stars. My end's still hot, I slip not, I'm a rock star. I'm on this road alone. My bro's in the trap, he got sticky fingers, rolling stones. And on the other line,
I'm on this road alone. My bro's in the trap, he got sticky fingers. What is it saying? Is it like calling out his bros, man? Like he doesn't trust his like what is it saying? Oh my god, y'all. Man, Dave is too much, man.
Fingers rolling stones, and on the other line we got Jack Bennon from Canada to London. Lawyers and gunmen. Being by yourself can make the best of things redundant. I feel everything and nothing, man. I'm empty. I'm really on the edge.
I feel everything and nothing, and I'm empty. Sheesh, he ain't got no emotions. Tell him.
Don't tempt me to pick up something lengthy. Don't ever say I've changed. I'm on the bus or train with my headphones every day. You people don't rate the nerve to send shade. Like I never sent the message to your brother. Use your brain. Put down your blade.
He said, don't ever say I'm changed. I'm always gonna be the same. He didn't say that. He didn't say I was gonna be the same, the word for word. But that's what it pretty much what he meant. It's like, don't ever say I'm saying. Don't ever say I changed. Don't ever lie on my names, bro. If you use your brain, if you use your comments, damn, Dave, man, why you so angry?
I'm on the bus and train with my headphones every day. You people don't rate the nerve to send shade. Like I never sent the message to your brother. Use your brain.
The nerve to send shades. Like I never sent a message to your brother. Use your brain. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. I really hope he didn't mean that. I really hope he didn't mean that. I don't think Dave is that bad. Is he that bad? Hey man, he's been through a lot, so that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. If he actually meant what I think he meant. Oh my God. Yo, okay.
Like I never took the train to Essex in the rain for a session on my J's, my girl, my mates. Like I never fucking worked for this. When drill was the way I made a lane and then I nurtured it. And now you wanna talk like I never fucking deserved this shit. Like it all came quick to me.
Oh, them haters, man. Them haters, man. Them haters, they be your own family. They be your own friends, man. Acting like I didn't deserve this. Acting like I didn't work hard for this, man. Why y'all keep acting like I didn't deserve this? I didn't deserve all the success. Stop playing. Stop lying on my name. Come on, man. Come on.
Like I never wrote picture me. Literally, half the people dissing me ain't ever done a thing for me. You must be raised.
After people dissing me, they ain't never done a thing for me. The people that be dissing you, they ain't never done anything for you. At least if you dissing me, at least if you're gonna diss me, at least come up with something that you did for me. You know what I mean? But you ain't never done a thing for me. Why you dissing me? Come on now. Come on now.
Differently, disrespect I didn't see. I'll hate you till I'm dead. I'm triple flex on my pagans and my ex. They question if I'm staying just for sex, but I wonder what was playing on your head when you were laying on my bed. I'm just saying, no offense. I'm super cool. Don't be shy, love. Using me to dig for gold. It's ironic because your intentions are minor. I don't care. I'm lonely and I'm fired up. A 20-person guest listens from vodka on my rider. It's weird when you level with a person and they treat you like you're higher or treat you like you're different. She said my music's like silk, it's inspired her. I'm more like apples, I'm inside her. I'm lonely and nothing more. 8 great minutes and then I'll bust like Dumbledore. I love you for this moment. She thinks I'm gonna dash, I'll let her link me like.
He said 8. Only 8-minute day? Wait, hold on. We gotta listen to that part one more time, bro. We gotta listen to that part one more time because I think he made it in a whole different context. Hold on, Dave. You word playing right now, Dave. You word playing right now. Chill out.
Different. She said my music's like silk, it's inspired her. I'm more like apples, I'm inside her.
I'm more like apples. I'm inside her. Apple cider. Oh yeah. I need to go back more often. He said that my music inspired her, and I'm like I'm a apple cider because I'm inside of her. So, oh my god, how you coming up with these words, man? These word plays, man. How is he coming up with these word plays? The only goat that I know that knows how to word play is Eminem. Eminem is the greatest rapper at word playing. Eminem is the greatest rapper of all time. Period. But when it comes to wordplay, bro, nobody can compete with Eminem, bro. And Dave is playing with the words right now, man. It's crazy.
My music's like silk, it's inspired. I'm more like apples, I'm inside. I'm nothing more.
Yo.
8 great minutes and then I'll bust like Dumbledore. I love
He
you.
said 8 great minutes and I bust like I'm only 8 minutes, Dave? Come on, man. I'm like, shit. That's not long.
This moment, she thinks I'm gonna dash. I'll let her link me like underscores. Ungrateful breed. These girls always want something more.
Ungrateful, man. They always want something more. They always want something more. They always want something more, man.
I may have called you Prince.
It's never enough for me.
Like royalty. It's been less than 3 days. Why you asking for my loyalty?
Oh, it's been less than 3 days. Why you asking for my loyalty? I've only known you for 3 days. It's been less than 3 days. Come on now.
done. I could have been anyone. This is something that I've never done. You say that line to everyone. From 17 to 21, you went from a 90-day rule and a checklist to screaming in a pillow with some talking and a neck kiss. Are you telling me that every single person you connect with can whisper in your ear and then just get inside your best bits? This game's so confusing. I don't know what I want from this. A virgin before music, girls came with my accomplishments, and now I don't believe that.
A virgin before music, girls came after my. Is it before my accomplishments or after? Okay, hold on, we gotta go back. But he says a virgin before the music, girls came after my accomplishments. Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Can whisper in your ear and then just get inside your best bits. This game's so confusing. I don't know what I want from this. A virgin before music, girls came with my accomplishments.
Girls came with my accomplishments.
Praise and all their compliments. I take my insecurities and hide them all in confidence.
I take all my insecurities and hide them with okay.
I'm free, but do you know how much it hurts me? They don't love me for me.
Tell them.
And people, they just want what's hot. That's why I'm trying to sell. See, it's 100 degrees.
Yo, this was fire. I don't think it's over yet, though. Is it over? Yo, this was fire. Yo, I tried my best, man. I tried my best. I know I probably missed quite a few bars, but I tried my best, man. But I think it's over. Yeah, yo, I tried my best, man. I honestly tried my best, man. That's probably one of like the craziest freestyle. This was a freestyle. Yeah, I would consider this as a freestyle. That was not really like a song because there wasn't really no chorus, but this was a straight freestyle. I probably said this is Dave probably one of the best freestyle. Honestly, y'all, I would say. I know he has a lot more out there. I think Black Box was probably one of his best. I don't know, man. But anyway, man, this was fire. And that's all that matters at the end of the day. Y'all let me know how you feel about this, man. Like I said, man, I know I missed quite a few bars. Y'all let me know what I missed in the comment section, or if I misinterpret what he was saying. So if it meant something else, y'all let me know as well in the comment section, man. So I tried my best, man. So with that being said, man, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the Family Generation Gang, all that good stuff, man. And I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.